The sound K. How is the sound K pronounced?
It is pronounced K.
Can you say K?
K, 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 K.
Very good. The sound K has many different spellings. These include C, K, CK, CH, and QUE. Now let's take a look at some examples of these different spellings.
K,
Ow,
cow.
K,
Ite,
kite,
ba,
K,
back.
A,
K,
ache,
auntie,
K,
antique. The sound K is unvoiced, meaning your vocal cords don't vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue also sits at the bottom of your mouth when pronouncing the sound K. Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This paragraph contains many examples of the common English sound K.
The old woman woke her cat by polishing her antique locket, which distracted her from baking. The night before, the old woman had milked a cow, causing her muscles to ache and disabling her ability to walk.
Quick recap time.
The sound K has many different spellings and appears in many words.
It's pronounced K and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like antique, bake, work, and cake all use the sound K.